Hello and welcome back to Clasopedia. We are back again with a powerful formula XLOOKUP. Let us see how it works. So I want to see the number of innings played by Sachin Tendulkar. And I have a table where it's mentioned, okay, Sachin Tendulkar has played 9 innings, his ID card is CC5 and so on. So how do I check this with XLOOKUP? What do I need to do? Oh yes, I've written it down over here. What I need is, I need to add the function XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP, and what do I need to find? I need to find the lookup value Sachin Tendulkar. So XLOOKUP, bracket open, J22, which is the lookup value, and I need to add the lookup array. So the lookup array is where all the names are mentioned, and now I need to add the return value. So the return value will be 9, but it will be from which array? It will be from the innings array. So I will add innings array, close the brackets and press enter. Wow, that's 9. Oh, fantastic. So I managed to get the number of innings played by Sachin Tendulkar. If I want to see the innings played by Yuvraj Singh, 8 innings, is it right? Correct. And Virat Kohli, 9 innings. Well, I also want the ID number of the cricketer. This is not possible in vlookup. This is only possible in XLOOKUP. It can search on the right hand side, also on the left hand side. Let's try the formula once again. XLOOKUP, and the lookup value again is J22. Well, this time it has to look from the same players column, and the return value will always be from the ID column. Okay, yes, we've got CC3, that's the ID card for Virat Kohli. The number for Zaheer Khan is CC9, that's right. Now I want all the values, the innings, runs, balls, centuries, etc, etc. How do I do it? Simple. Let's see the formula. This is much easier than the other lookups. You again do XLOOKUP, and again you need to search the player, the lookup value from the lookup array. This time I want from innings to out all the columns, so I will just choose the complete array from innings to out, close the bracket. There you go, I've got all the details in just 1 second. So this will definitely improve your efficiency, your speed, which is not possible in vlookup. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll come back with XLOOKUP part 2. Till then, goodbye. Yes, but please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.